In this video, I want to show you how to check battery temperature on Emporia Smart 4. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Ampere. Like this, hit the search button. Now select this app and then install it. When the installation process is done, we can open our app. From here, click on OK and agree to everything. Right here, there should be temperature, like this. And you can see it in multiple tabs on this app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.